Looking for tankless water heater repair, maintenance and service in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how important it is to have reliable hot water when you need it most. Our tankless water heater repair, maintenance and service helps with everything from inconsistent temperatures and mineral buildup to complete system failures, ensuring you have a consistent flow of hot water. In Sherwood Park, we know that hard water can be a real challenge for tankless water heaters, which is why our team provides specialized solutions, including flush tankless water heater service tailored to your needs. At Kingstree Plumbing, we're known for our fast, reliable service. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for tankless water heater repair, maintenance and service in Sherwood Park.